Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clear Shaw High School in Fallout 4. Before you even think about entering, make sure you're well prepared. Gather plenty of stim packs, ammunition for your best weapons, and any chems you might need, like Jet or Psycho. Equip powerful firearms, especially those effective in tight spaces, such as a combat shotgun or an assault rifle. Bringing a companion can also significantly increase your chances of success, providing extra damage and drawing enemy fire. Finally, ensure your health is full and radiation levels are low. Upon entering Shaw High School, proceed with extreme caution. The ground floor is often swarming with feral ghouls, so be ready for immediate engagement. Systematically clear each classroom and hallway, as ghouls can hide in unexpected corners. Always use cover to your advantage, peeking around doorways and corners to minimize exposure. Your primary goal on this floor is to eliminate all immediate threats and locate the path to the upper levels, usually a staircase or a broken elevator shaft. As you move to the upper floors, expect the challenge to intensify. You might encounter more aggressive ghouls, including glowing ones or even legendary variants, which drop valuable loot. Focus your fire on these tougher enemies first. Your main objective often lies within specific rooms, such as the principal's office or the library, so keep an eye out for these key locations. Remember to check for traps and environmental hazards, as the school can be quite dilapidated and dangerous. Once all the ghouls have been dealt with, take your time to thoroughly loot Shaw High School. There are often many valuable items scattered throughout, including ammunition, useful chems, and sometimes even unique weapons or armor. Make sure to check every desk, locker, and container, as some of the best rewards can be hidden away. With the school cleared and your inventory full, you've successfully navigated this challenging location and are ready for your next adventure in the Commonwealth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.